Okay, I'm pressing play to start the game. I'm just going to fit this to the screen. You can hear the audio playing in the background, of course. The restart button's working. It says restarted the game. Not sure if we can see that. It just says it there. Now, if I control the monkey with my characters, I can get them to jump, collect the bananas. The banana count is incremented at the top. And if I leave my monkey in the air, press pause. You see it pauses the game. If I press play, it restarts. Now I'll just collect some bananas. And we'll see that the door works and it brings us to a new level. Yeah. And now you see everything moving in. If I press end game, it finishes it. And down here we see it says ending game. It says we're going to the next level and it actually counts the bananas for us. Thank you.